In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check hidden replies on X, formerly Twitter, in just a few seconds. This is a really useful trick if you've noticed that a reply seems missing, or if you want to see comments that X has automatically hidden from the main thread. It's quick, simple, and you do not need any special tools at all. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy social media tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X and go to the post you want to check. This can be any tweet or post where you think there may be hidden replies underneath it. Once you're on the post, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the post. This is the menu that gives you extra options for that specific tweet. Tap or click those three dots to open the menu. When the menu appears, look for the option that says View Hidden Replies. This is the exact feature you need in order to see replies that are not showing in the normal thread view. Click View Hidden Replies, and X will take you to the section where those hidden replies are stored. From there, you can read the replies that were filtered out, hidden by the platform, or tucked away from the main conversation. This is especially helpful if you want the full context of a post, or if you're checking whether a reply was hidden because of quality filters, moderation, or user settings. And that's really all there is to it. Go to the post, click the three dots, and then click View Hidden Replies. It only takes a moment, but it can give you a much clearer picture of the conversation. If this tutorial helped, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.